Happy birthday, Sister Dimple Bautista, a 1961 song for you. Are you lonesome tonight? Do you miss me tonight? Are you sorry we drifted apart? Does your memory stray to a brighter sunny day when I kissed you and called you sweetheart? Do the chairs in your parlor seem empty and bare? Do you gaze at your doorstep and picture me there? Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? I wonder if you're lonesome tonight. You know, someone said that the world's a stage and each must play a part. Fate had me playing in love, you as my sweetheart. Act 1 was when we met. I love you at the first glance. You read your lines so cleverly and never miss the cue. Then came Act 2. You seemed to change and you acted strange, and why I'll never know. Honey, you lied when you said you loved me, and I had no cause to doubt you. But I'd rather go on hearing your lies than go on living without you. Now the stage is bare and I'm standing there with emptiness all around. And if you won't come back to me, then make them bring the curtain down. Is your heart filled with pain? Shall I come back again? Tell me, dear, are you lonesome tonight? Happy birthday. We love you, sis.